Wow, the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, has just been sued by the Security Exchange Commission of the SEC of the United States. Do you know how big this is? And the charge is that they've mishandled. They're saying the CEO, CZ, has mishandled billions of dollars. That is huge. This is the SEC's own Twitter, and look what they said. They got one of the former Binance executives, right, their even chief compliance officer, as a witness, and made him say this. He said, "We are operating as a effing unlicensed security exchange in the USA, bro." And he said this in 2018. This is very damning evidence. I mean, this doesn't even sound like finance anymore. All of this allegations so far sounds like an Al Capone movie, if you know what I'm talking about. They're talking, see, this is from Gary Gensler, the head of SEC, saying there's a web of deception, conflict of interest, lack of disclosure, evasion of the law, and, embezzling money, all sorts. It's crazy. But, for folks who have been following me for a long time, this comes as zero surprise, because just 2 weeks ago, I warned that they're coming after major exchanges and they're coming after crypto traders from the US SEC. See, I warned that Biden was refusing any debt deal that would be friendly to crypto traders. Even though he was desperate to get the debt deal done, he would not approve any deal that helped out crypto traders. I pointed out that there was SEC crypto crackdown coming all around the USA. But why is this all happening? And why now? So last time I told you all guys that this is the same book that China did when they wanted to introduce their own CBDC. This is not a coincidence that all of this is happening right now. See, my warning from 2 weeks ago was that they're going to release the Fed now from the Federal Reserve, digital US dollar, the CBDC, in July, which means that they're going to crack down on crypto sometimes, because essentially with crypto, Bitcoin, Monero, all those coins, you can basically trade around the Federal Reserve, around the current banking system, right? And yes, money laundering could happen, but you could also exchange money like to Canadian truckers in case the government finds out about it, right? Behind the government. And they really don't like that. So what they're doing is creating these central bank digital currencies to make sure they can see all the transfers and all the money movements. It's kind of about control, to be honest. And although the Fed now is strictly not the CBDC, but it's like laying the rails before the train actually comes. And in reaction to this, PayPal stock has dumped. Right? PayPal has tanked quite a lot because they all know this is going to basically take away PayPal's business. When the FedNow coin arrives, it's basically just going to be very instant transfer from mobile phone to mobile phone users. And I warned that US is cracking down, but Hong Kong is extending a warm welcome to crypto. Whilst the US has cracked down on all these coins, Hong Kong has just approved all these coins for crypto trading. Is China the new